until the city falls down. We'll wait until the city falls down. Wait until the city falls down. Wait until the city falls down. We'll wait until the city falls down. We'll wait until the city falls down. Wait until the city falls down.
Ah, what's up, Tim? What's up, baby?
Whoa. New cover charge, $3.
What you mean $3?
$3 is $3. It's a new cover.
Ah, but I'm a fat cat, nigga. You know I'm the truth, baby. Come on, what's up?
Whoa. Look, they're just trying to stop the little faggot kids from making so much trouble, all right? It's a new cover charge, everybody pays.
Man, that's bullshit. This is my place. This is my motherfucking place.
Look, what can I do?
Listen, man, I'm out here every fucking day. I tell my pussy to meet me here, right? Right, nigga? Right? So where I'ma tell my pussy to meet me at now, huh? You understand pussy, right, nigga? Yeah. You like to eat that shit, right? Huh? Like that? Huh?
All right. Look, all right? Soon everything's gonna come down. I'm gonna let all the regulars back in, all right? But right now, it's $3.
Listen, man. Yo, I'm one of these little high-pitched, muscled-out faggots. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to start no shit. Baby, I ain't got $3. Matter of fact, I don't have $1 to my name right now. But I bet you I get you that shit by the end of the night. You know what I'm saying? Yo, please, man.
All right, get your dumb black ass in there, girl, all right? Fuck the $3.
Yeah.
All right?
All right,
Hey, you gotta let me watch.
yeah.
Oh, hey, everybody, it's $3 cover charge. Get your little IDs out.